In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable autosuggest on Perplexity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control those live suggestions that appear as you type, so your experience matches your style. Whether you like speedy prompts and idea starters or a clean, distraction-free input box. First, open your Perplexity account. You can do this on the website or in the app. Make sure you're signed in so your settings are saved to your profile. If you use multiple devices, signing in ensures the change carries over everywhere you use Perplexity. A stable internet connection helps your settings update right away. Next, go to Account and Settings. This area holds all your personal and app preferences. You'll usually find it by clicking your profile avatar or initials, often in the upper corner of the screen. On mobile, it may be in a menu icon. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Look for a gear icon or a label like Settings. Inside that menu, select Preferences. This section contains controls that tailor how Perplexity behaves while you type and interact. Here, you should see an option labeled Autosuggest. This is the feature that predicts and displays potential queries or completions as you write, helping you discover related ideas faster or finish thoughts with fewer keystrokes. Now, toggle Autosuggest on or off. Turning it on enables predictive suggestions to appear as you type. This can be especially helpful when you're brainstorming, exploring topics, or trying to refine a question. Turning it off removes those inline prompts, keeping your typing space simpler and focused. Most versions save this change automatically, so there's no extra save button to press. If you don't see the difference right away, give the page a quick refresh or reopen the app and you should be all set. A few quick tips to get the most out of this setting. If you're working on precise prompts and find suggestions distracting, keeping autosuggest off can minimize noise. If you're exploring new topics, turning it on can surface angles you might not think of. You can switch this setting anytime and it won't affect your saved chats or content, only how suggestions appear while typing. That's it. Open your Perplexity account, head to Account and Settings, go into Preferences and toggle Autosuggest on or off depending on what serves you best. Thanks for watching and enjoy a Perplexity experience that's tuned to the way you work.